Warning, this audio is real and can cause panic if used improperly. Do not broadcast this video as it may cause panic, a fine, or even jail time. Thank you.
Good evening and welcome to Fox News at 7 o'clock Detroit. To start out our evening, we have an interesting story for you. U.S. government officials are denying a possible terrorist bombing in Detroit today after a large chunk of Cobo Hall exploded in a fireball that could be seen across the city. Fire and rescue personnel are continuing the evacuation of the area and attempting to locate any and all citizens that may have been caught in the blast. In other news, a second train derailment in the city of Taylor today as large numbers of an unknown material burn, pouring black smoke in and around the area. And lastly, another Department of Defense no-fly zone was established today over Kalamazoo as F-16 and F-22 were scrambled over the area to shoot down another Chinese weather balloon. We here at Fox 7 News.
Warning. This is not a test. The emergency alert system has been activated in the following areas. United States. Due to a large unknown threat coming across the eastern seaboard, if you disregard everything is fine, there is no threat. Again, please disregard everything is fine. This was only a test. Warning, this is not a test. A large flight of Russian aircraft has been spotted flying across the Atlantic and over Canada into the United States. An attack on DC and neighboring states has already occurred, with large numbers of Russian and Chinese forces dropping into the United States. Seek shelter immediately. Again, this is not a test. A large number of Russian and Chinese aircraft have been spotted over the United States. A large number of Chinese and Russian soldiers have initiated an attack on the eastern seaboard, including DC, New York, North Carolina, Virginia, Vermont. It is the duty of all United States citizens to arm and protect themselves in this time of great need. Military forces have been dispatched into the area to attempt to stall the invasion before it can proceed into the Great Lakes region and into the Midwestern area of the United States. Again, this is not a test. May God protect you and protect this great country.
support. Alright, everybody hit
Interchange at I-495 and US 50. Over.
Live, this is 3-2 Echo. We are in sector. Gunner up, scanning with thermals. Break. Have visual on enemy armor in the vicinity of the MSR. How copy, over?
Roger, 3-2. Goliath copies all. Go ahead.
Roger. We have a BMP-2 at map grid 31529 or 8. Target is surrounded by multiple personnel carrying small arms, entering what appears to be a residential area. Requesting permission to engage, over.
Negative 3-2. The ROE is engaging enemies in close proximity to civilian dwellings at this time. Out. 2-1 Bravo, 2-1 Alpha. Negative. What is the status of the man down? Over.
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Bravo. It's minor. We'll take care of it here. Out.
my team also.
Wolverine 3, Wolverine 3-2. Possible for homes with RPGs approaching from your 4 o'clock.
3 o'clock! 3 o'clock! Check fire! Check fire! Contact left! Contact left! 2-3! 2-2! I need a solid cover left side! Right now! Moving it down! Goliath, this is 3-2 Bravo. We have a man down. I repeat, we have a man down. Requesting Casaback. How copy? Over. Solid copy, 3-2 Bravo. Negative on Casaback. Do what you can. Out. 3-1! 3-2! Get off your squad over on our left side! Take out that RPG!
2-1, get the hell up here. I need suppressive fire on the left side. Left side. Mongoose 1, this is Wolverine Actual. Request javelin support on the north ridge in map grid 225313. Roger, Wolverine, Mongoose. Solid copy on all. Javelin support is moving into position at this time. Stand by. Vulture, Cujo 2-1, checking in. Flight of 2, F-35, ordering west, 20 miles, Angels 12. Ordnance to follow. 4 laser Mavericks, 2 arms, 6.5 GBU 12s, 600 rounds apiece. 0 plus 40 time on station. Ready for tasking.
Cujo 2-1, this is Vulture. Solid copy. Break. We are in contact with Stalker 2, a Marine recon platoon north of the MSR. They blasted 3 T-72s in the area. I need you to push 16 clicks north of MSR knife to map grid 25779 or 8. How copy? Over.
Vulture, Cujo 2-1, solid copy. Pushing north of MSR 9 to map grid 25779 or 8. Understand we are operating under restricted ROE, over.
Negative on that restricted ROE, Cujo 2-1. You are cleared to prosecute any other targets of opportunity in that grid square. Over.
Cujo 2-1 copies.
Stalker 2, this is Vulture. You have Cujo 2-1, flight of 2 F-35s and Angels 12, pushing north of the MSR. Stalker 2 copies. Cujo 2-1, this is Stalker 2. Stand by for 9 line. How copy? Over.
Stalker 2, Cujo 2-1, solid copy, standing by.
Cujo 2-1, Stalker 2. 9 line follows. IP hammer heading. 225 magnetic. Distance 5 nautical miles. Target elevation 215 MSL. T-72s near large green 3-story factory buildings. Grid 25778. Buckwood laser. Friendly south 1 mile. Danger close. Egress northwest. And 9 line over.
IP inbound.
Laser on. All contact over.
Contact, Cujo 2-1 in the file.
Roger. Solid copy. Continue over.
Wings level.
Cleared hot.
Roger, Maverick away, Maverick
This broadcast is being sent on behalf of the United States Defense Department and on behalf of the United States President, to all Americans. Your defiance of this newfound threat is phenomenal, but the United States Armed Forces have this under control. Please return to your homes immediately and let the United States Armed Forces handle this situation on the Eastern Seaboard. Please return to your homes and be with your family in this time of great need. They will need you now more than they ever will. If war is to come to your home, then it is up to you to stand and defend it. Please know that emergency services are overstressed at this time and wait times for police and emergency management are at an all-time high. Please do your best to use your local law enforcement without resorting to violence. It is expected that large amounts of power outages are going to be present in the near future. Please stock up on the following: candles, oil lanterns, freeze-dried food, blankets, and food for you and your pets. Please again use your local emergency services if at all possible. May God bless this country and protect you.